Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic for today is Centre moves bills for pan masala, cess and higher duties on tobacco products. Now, the union government has introduced two key bills in the parliament aimed at increasing revenue and strengthening the regulatory oversight over tobacco and pan masala. So these are the health Security and National Security Cess Bill 2025. It's written here. Okay. And this seeks to raise the excise duty on tobacco products, introduces a new cess to support health and national security expenditure, proposes levying cess on tobacco items, pan masala manufacturing processes, machines installed or other processes involved in production. Let us go through this. So the bills are aimed at replacing the revenue from the goods and services tax GST compensation cess on tobacco products, which will be discontinued soon. The Health Security and National Security cess also proposed to augment funding for health and national security through levy of cess on machines installed or other processes undertaken in the manufacture of pan masala. Then launched in 2017. So the second one is Central Excise Amendment Bill 2025. Now this focuses on regulating and taxing pan masala more effectively, designed to replace revenue that was earlier collected through the GST under the GST compensation cess, which will soon be discontinued. Now the background is that GST compensation cess was introduced in 2017 to help states recover losses caused by the introduction of GST. Now the states were assured compensation for 5 years, that is till 2022. Now, during the COVID-19 pandemic, compensation needs rose sharply while cess collections declined. This created a gap, leading the central to borrow money to continue compensating states. Now, compensation cess is being slowly phased out, but compensation loan repayment continues. Now, why is this new cess now? So, this also talks about why to offset the revenue loss from discontinuing the GST compensation cess on tobacco, to ensure continued funding for national security and health related programs, to strengthen control over harmful products like tobacco and pan masala, aligning with public health goals. Now, Lok Sabha has also passed Manipur GST bill in a separate development. Despite uproar from the opposition, the Lok Sabha passed the bill to replace an ordinance related to the implementation of GST in Manipur as well. Okay, now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. So this is very important for prelims, GST Council and GST compensation mechanisms, difference between tax and cess, types of excise duty, sin taxes and public health economies, tobacco control policies in India, and for mains also for GS paper 2 plus GS paper 3, which is governance and health and economy. Now it becomes very important for essay paper also. It is a very important topic for keywords like public health and policy and fiscal federalism. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.